So in the previous video, we looked at this and we seen that we'd create a button. We also created a text view just there. But these two things are not linked into the code in any way. In order to do that, we have to link them in. So you go where the code goes, type in button with a capital B and wait. When you do that, you can either double click here or press enter. I'll double click and you'll find a line of code appears up here somewhere. And it's added in this line of code. And it's basically saying there that you're going to be allowed to use buttons now. It's going to include parts about buttons related to Android Studio. You can use all the different things related to buttons. Put a space in and put the button's name in. The button was called button hello. So I'll put the same name in. Notice it's still lowercase b and capital H there. I like this idea of a camel casing. Then equals button. You can press enter or double click. I'll just press enter. We have a way for there and type in find. If you type in find, it says find view by ID. So double click on that or just press enter. R means look through all my resources. ID means look at all my IDs I've created. And in this list here, you generally find the one you're looking for. And there's button hello. So click on that. Then go at the end there and semicolon. Take a new line. Let's examine this line. We're using this thing called button. It's very much like a variable, like a data type, like a string or an integer. In this case, it's a component called button. We're giving it a name, button hello. So in code, it's called button hello. We're saying it's going to be a button, find it, look at the resources, use its ID, find it there. So this button hello we're looking at here on the right hand side is that there, that piece right there. And this bit on the left hand side is the code name or the variable name we're going to use within the program to represent it. And they're spelled exactly the same way and written exactly the same way so we don't get confused. I've also got a text view, so type in TEXT-V for view. There it's there, press enter. Again, it includes a line at the top to show you're going to use text views, space, then put its name in, text view, and I think it was called answer, right? Equals, brackets, T for text view, T-E-X-T view, that's there. Find, the same thing as last time, r.id. And look through the list. You do might not see it, so put a T in, and it'll jump to it, text view, that's there. Text view answer, and a semicolon at the end. And I'm going to save this. Yeah, so what I've done here is I've said I've also got a text view variable that I'm going to use. This component is called text view. Find it, look through the resources, use its ID, and identify this thing here called text view answer, which means it looks through all the resources and it finds this piece just down here. See it? That bit down the bottom there. That's your text view. Right there it says there, text view answer. So we're saying use that piece on the actual screen of the app, and this is the variable name that will be representing it from now on. Right, so that's the first little piece. That's your linking buttons and text views. The next video we'll do is I'll be using the button, so when you click on the button, it'll alter information in the text view on the screen. So you click the button, and the bit below it will change. So the idea here is, you click that, we'll change that text down there.